I have a confession to make. I know many of you guys have been following me for Osmo Pocket, but my Osmo Pocket has died. But many of you guys know I've been using Osmo Pocket rather roughly. In between shooting, I actually forgot to put this gimbal lock. If I'd put the gimbal lock on, then it would have been very secure. But silly me. And then what happened without the gimbal lock? I stood it, turned the selfie stick and just dropped it. When I turned back on, the gimbal wouldn't go up. Somehow the gimbal had moved and there was not enough space for it to move, so it would just get stuck. But since I live in Hong Kong, I just went into a flagship store. But make sure the walk-in is only from 10 to 4 p.m. Otherwise you can actually go online and then book an appointment in advance. It's really sad that my Osmo Pocket died, but let's get back into reality and back to color. Okay, so now let's talk about money. What I did was handing it over my Osmo Pocket to the flagship store, and then after about an hour, they gave me a quotation. My damage material list was as follows. The Rolex's arm module, Hong Kong dollar 233. Camera rear shell, Hong Kong dollar 23. Camera front shell, Hong Kong dollar 85. Front grip shell, Hong Kong dollar 54. Pan axis arm module, Hong Kong dollar 155. And of course there's a repair service fee, which is Hong Kong dollar 271. There's no shipping cost because of course I'm there to pick it up myself. The total price came up to Hong Kong dollar 821. You hand in your dead Osmo Pocket and then what they'll do is give you the brand new Osmo Pocket. I felt it's my obligation and responsibility to share with you guys on how much it actually costs to repair an Osmo Pocket. So now that I have a brand new Osmo Pocket, and then go and start vlogging with it. And today, as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. So let's go! Osmo Pocket action! Just came to buy the flowers because it's spring. It feels like summer. I want to say if you just bought the Osmo Pocket and you just activated it and 30 days haven't passed yet, then you might want to actually consider getting Osmo Shield. It's just a little above what you would have to pay for repair service fee anyway. I actually asked whether I can get Osmo Shield with my replacement unit that I actually paid all the repair service for. They said no, I'm not allowed. So I hope you found the video useful, and always use Osmo Pocket with care. It is a strong device and I've already dropped it many times before actually breaking it. And if you want to know more about Osmo Pocket, then please do look at the playlist down below. I have many videos on Osmo Pocket. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. See you!